Hi everyone, welcome to the first vlog of my Thailand series. Before I begin, I'd like to thank everyone for supporting me and giving me beautiful comments. And those friends who are watching me, please do watch full, like, comment and subscribe, and rest assured I will do the same for you. Thank you. Our Thailand holiday was absolutely amazing. We thoroughly enjoyed it, and one particular island that stands out in my memory is the floating village. Koh Phangan is a small island community, otherwise famously known as the floating village in Phang Naga Bay. There are about 1,685 people from 360 families permanently living on the island. All of them are descendants of Tho Bao and his family and friends, who were the first people to settle some 200 years ago from Indonesia. The settlement was established at the end of 18th century. It was during this time that the law limited land ownership solely to the people of Thai national origin. Due to this fact, the settlement was built on stilts within protection of the island's bay. However, with increase of wealth for the community from the fishing industry and due to growing tourism industry within Thailand, purchase of land in the mainland itself became possible for the community. I was mesmerized by the beauty of the village. It has hundreds of huts, shacks, restaurants and shops.
That's really good. Yes.
Houses for the villagers were built on stilts over the surrounding shallow sea. However, no one seems quite sure how many wooden and concrete piles hold up this extraordinary community, but it's most certainly fascinating and unique piece of engineering. The village has a school, a mosque, a health center, lots of small souvenir shops, and few large restaurants facing the emerald green sea. The village is independent. They have their own electricity, internet connection, and water supply, which isn't shipped from the mainland. When we arrived here, we had a buffet lunch at the main restaurant, and it was very, very delicious. All the food was halal, as the community is a Muslim population. On the way back, we stopped and enjoyed snorkeling. You will see from the underwater footages, pristine, clear, warm water, absolutely beautiful. When you put your head in the water, you can see the seabed and beautiful fishes swimming around. Absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, do take care. Bye.